Wake up, brother. It's Christmas. It's what? Are you sure it's Christmas? It is Christmas. Let's see, there's presents here. There's one present here. Coolio. Whoa, let's open it up. A little birdie toy. Come on, fall down. Here it is. Back. Okay. Okay, next present. There. Here's the next present. Man, looks like a big present there, huh? Open it. It's a skateboard. There must be some presents hidden around here somewhere. Let's turn around the house. There's a present here. Let's open it. Let's open it. It's our own car. I'll turn around the house. There should be more hidden presents. There's more presents. Let's see what's in here. It's a lunchbox. They can go to school with this. Be careful. You should have gone with those presents. Just kidding. Let's see this one. It's our own friend. I was stuck in there for a whole time. Why did he put me there? Hello, brother. It's our new brother. Let's call him Messi. Last present. See what's so tight to open this one. I can do this though. This is a bag full of money.